I'm Gary from PA Hydroponics in York Springs, Pennsylvania. We also have a store in Maryland called All Good Garden Supply. Today, I'm just doing a quickie on this. We got the 2 version of our Fallponic system out now. It's on the website. This is the mini here. This is the 8-gallon version. It's got 2 plants. It's built specifically for a 2x4 grow tent and specifically for a gorilla grow tent. So what's cool about this system, if you haven't seen our 4-plant version, the reservoir is outside the tent on the side here. We have an outboard pump here, 250 gallons per hour. This is divided up and shooting into the waterfall, which I'll show you in a minute. This is a 3-inch return line, so you don't have to worry about anything clogging up. You got your reservoir outside. You can deal with your nutrients, your pH adjustments in there, and then it'll pump out through the system. And each bucket comes with the airstone. Your manifold is evenly divided here, so each of these plants is getting over 2 gallons an hour. I mean, 2 gallons a minute. So it keeps it very stirred up. The 4-plant version has been very popular, and I thank everybody for watching that. We have a full assembly video on that, so if you're buying the 2-plant version, pretty much you're dealing with the same kind of setup. And I use a 4x4 tent just to build this, so I'm going to set another tent up, but I have it evenly so the plants are exactly 12 inches from the back to the front. You could probably lean your return manifold over to the side a little bit and push. That would get this back a little bit, and you could actually probably use this in a 4x4 tent if you wanted to. And with some big plants, it would probably fill the whole entire tent, no problem. All right, and to drain this system, you can access your plants through the back door here. Don't close this all the way down. Just snug it up, because it is hard to get off if you close it all the way. That's the only complaint we've had so far on these systems. It comes with a drain pump. This is a bottom feed pump. Sucks the water almost down to like 1/8 of an inch. And then it comes with a 10-foot piece of tubing. So you can simply put this in, drop it down. You might have to move some roots out of the way to drop that down there. And then you can just pump the water out. You know, I like to use this outside on my garden, just the leftovers. Or your yard, it'll love it. You can also pump the reservoir out of the reservoir into these while you're sucking this out. So yeah, it's a complete kit. The clay rocks, we offer it with the clay rocks and without the clay rocks. So if you want to save a little bit on the shipping weight and get your own clay rocks, that will save you on shipping. On this version, when we put this together for you, unbox it, the waterfall tubing will be completely assembled. So all you're gonna have to do is hook it into your pump. I've used the natural memory of the bend of the hose to my advantage to kind of make things twist through here real nice. And this thing is awesome system. I mean, we had almost 100% feedback, positive feedback from the ones we sold the 4-plant version. And this is also available in the 13-gallon size. This is the full version size. This is the mini. So this is, this one, 19 inches tall, and the regular size is 14 inches. So it's about 5 inches taller to get to the 13-gallon version. So if you really want to go crazy with it, that's awesome. The Fallponics, another great thing about it is if you're going to use a water chiller. Other systems that run in rows, the first bucket's going to get the coldest water, and then it's going to probably not be as evenly cooled. Whereas the Fallponic systems that we build, everything's evenly divided. So the cool water from the chilled water from the reservoir, well, each plant's going to get exactly the same temperature water. So they're really good to reuse with chillers. And we do have a chiller soon here. We're going to do a video on how to set up a chiller, and that'll be pretty cool. I get a lot of questions on that, and people are just a little bit confused on it. So we're going to go over that very soon. And there's links under here, especially if you're on a computer. You can go link right to our website and order this, and we will ship it out to you. And I think you're going to love it. Anyway, I'm Gary from PA Hydroponics in York Springs, Pennsylvania. We also have a store in Maryland called All Good Garden Supply. Have a good one.